Welcome back to Lockpicking. I got a master lock number 1 right now. And I'm gonna pick it open with a snake rake and a tensioning tool. So basically, what you gotta do is just insert the tensioning tool, apply moderate tension. I think light tension is okay. Then just rake it. And it's open within seconds. Really easy and simple to do. Master lock number 1. You better not use one. Master lock number 1 is not number 1. Let me try it again. I'm going to do it again one more time. Well, just that easy and simple. So that was the Master Lock Model 1, number 1, and it's definitely not number 1 when it comes to picking. So that is all I have for you today. Please, if you want, like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.